This is the slide of cerebellum. This slide is in low magnification. In this slide, you can see there are numerous deeply convoluted folds called cerebellar folia, and these cerebellar folia they are separated by deep sulcus. One fold is called as cerebellar folium. These folia they are covered by a thin connective tissue layer of pia mater. Now, the identifying features of cerebellum are: number 1, numerous cerebellar folia are present. These cerebellar folia have outer cortical region, that is outer cortex, and inner medullary region. This light stained area is medullary region. This outer cortex it consists of gray matter, while this medullary region it consists of white matter fibers. Now, this outer cerebellar cortex it is made up of three layers. This is cortical region, cerebellar cortex, and this light area it is white matter, and this is the medullary region. Okay, so this cortex it is made up of three layers. Outer layer is molecular layer, and this middle layer is Purkinje cell layer, where you will find these pear shaped Purkinje cells. Okay, and the inner layer is granular cell layer. Now, this is the enlarged view of one cerebellar folium. This is another cerebellar folium. Okay, here you can easily see the three layers: outer molecular layer, middle Purkinje cell layer, where you will find pear shaped these Purkinje cells. This is one Purkinje cell. Okay, and this inner one is the granular cell layer, and this light stained area is medulla. So the another important point in this slide is the main cell types are the Purkinje cells and granule cells. Now, in this outer molecular layer, you will find various cell bodies and parallel fibers of granular cells. In this layer, outer molecular layer, you will find stellate shaped cells, basket shaped cells, and dendrites of Purkinje cells, and the shape of these basket cells, stellate cells, that you will able to see in higher magnification. So, in this outer molecular layer, these cell bodies of these cells you can see in this slide. Also, in this layer you will find parallel fibers of granule cell layer. Now, coming to the middle layer, that is the Purkinje cell layer. This is a layer that have single cells. So, this middle layer it is made up of single cell, and these cells are Purkinje cell. The shape of these cells are large flask shaped cell. Axons of these Purkinje cell they make synaptic connections with intracerebellar nuclei. Now, this one is the inner granule cell layer. In this layer, you will find granule cells, Golgi cells, and synaptic glomeruli. that you will clearly see in higher magnification. This is 10x magnification. So here you can see only these details. So if you will see in a slide, there are 3 layers in the cortex, and in the medullary region you will see light stained area that is made up of white matter, and in the cortical region the middle layer that contains pear shaped Purkinje cells. That is the peculiar and characteristic feature of the cerebellum, that Purkinje cells, they are only present in this layer of cerebellum. So outer cortex having 3 layers. In the middle layer you will see this pear shaped Purkinje cell layer, and in the medullary region you will find light stained this white matter, and you can easily identify this slide as cerebellum.